I fell in love with facial plastic and reconstructive surgery during residency, and I just became amazed, frankly, by just the complexity of the cases and the incredible need to focus on fine detail and how personal it is. You know, we identify ourselves as our facial appearance and our loved ones as well. And so by its very nature, it's a very, very intimate experience to encounter a patient who puts their trust in you for something that's just so biologically valued and important. It's a very special experience to me to start a process with a patient and get to know them as an individual, and then walk through a process with them of having surgery and healing. And it's a really special bond that we typically develop. It's really quite amazing. My clinical focus is on facial plastic and reconstructive surgery. That means I take care of patients who have injuries to their face. It's often because of skin cancer. Probably my biggest area of focus over my 2-decade career is on the treatment of facial paralysis. The field of facial reanimation has exploded over the past 15 years, and I'm really proud that the efforts we've made in that regard have helped push the field forward. Every time we restore somebody's ability to smile, and we sit with them in clinic and say, well, let's give it a whirl, let's try to smile, and they smile, it's magical. I mean, it feels magical every time it happens. One of my long-standing passions, and this goes back since I was a medical student, is that I sort of made a promise when I was starting medical school that I would always contribute to the less fortunate throughout my career. And so at least once a year for my entire professional life, I've contributed to volunteer surgical trips around the world. What's been really awesome is that in recent years, my kids are old enough that they've been starting to come with me. And so the experience of being in a developing country with a couple of your kids and working in an orphanage and then providing facial plastic reconstructive procedures to people in need is something that is pretty special.